because a lot of these moves are exercises that you can just get right into. All these exercises require zero equipment. Touch one side, touch the other side. Keep that core tight, regulate that breathing. Don't give up, guys, we're just getting started. Keep those core tight. All right, so all the way up, all the way down, way up. Keep those legs straight. First position, one leg up, one leg down. That targets that lower core. That's normally one of the most hardest places to hit. It's all about control. Keep that core tight the whole time, guys. Let's start with one side first. Activate that core. Keep that core tight. Form, because you're gonna grow off of perfect form. If you start with sloppy form, you're gonna grow off of